Tired of wrinkled clothes when you travel? Learn our best hacks for wrinkle-free packing. Welcome to Pack Smart Travel Light. Today, we're sharing how to fit everything in one bag, completely wrinkle-free. We've all been there, unpacking at your destination only to find your favorite outfits look like they've been through a fight. The struggle is real. These hacks aren't just about avoiding wrinkles. They're about maximizing space, simplifying your travel, and ensuring you always look your best. First up, the magical rolling method. This technique is a game changer for fitting more and preventing creases. For shirts and blouses, lay them flat, fold the sleeves inward, and then roll them tightly from the bottom up. This minimizes sharp creases. When it comes to pants and jeans, fold them in half lengthwise and then roll them tightly. The denim's sturdy nature makes it ideal for this method. For dresses and skirts, roll them gently to avoid crushing delicate fabrics. You can even roll smaller items inside them for extra compactness. Once everything is rolled, the next step is strategic placement. This is crucial for keeping your clothes secure and wrinkle-free. Place your rolled items tightly against each other in your suitcase. This prevents shifting during transit, which can cause wrinkles. Don't forget the small spaces. Fill any gaps with smaller items like socks, underwear, or accessories. Every inch counts. For very delicate items, lay them flat on top of your rolled clothes or use tissue paper between folds to add an extra layer of protection. Beyond rolling, a few extra tips can make your packing even more efficient and stress-free. Packing cubes are your best friends. They compartmentalize your items, further reducing movement and keeping everything organized. For items that can't be rolled, like structured jackets or blazers, lay them flat on top of your rolled clothes to maintain their shape. There you have it, the ultimate guide to wrinkle-free packing. With these hacks, you'll not only fit more into your luggage, but also arrive at your destination with perfectly pressed clothes, ready to wear. Now go forth, pack smart, travel light, and enjoy your adventures.